Hey everyone, welcome back to another Lady Mafia of Wolfhorn's YouTube channel. Um, Now you guys know I have done the fake beard tutorial video and everything with paint and stuff, and then I went back with Halloween cream and done the tutorial. Well, the reason why I'm redoing this video is YouTube would not even show the video, even though I had a top on, and you can see later in the video I had a top on and everything. But YouTube kept hounding the video, so I decided to delete the video and redo the whole tutorial again. Uh, this way you could see how I done it step by step again and everything. So let's get this party started. And before we actually do, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button and give a thumbs up. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my contour brush here, my Wet n Wild contour brush. I'm going to go over here with my dark highlight makeup. I'm going to go in here and darken some of the area up. So I'm going to go like this. And go around here. So I'm going to try to spread it out so it's not so dark in some areas. Trying to pan it out as much as I can, and I have another mirror here so I can look while you guys are watching me do this. So, after I go in that area, I would show you my makeup case, but it kind of got broke. So, so I'm a little upset. So yes, you want to go under here, under your chin and everything, and highlight that, and go through here. And get that area, and then right up in here is you definitely got to, because what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be doing sideburns as well, so kind of need to get that area darkened. All right, once you have this area darkened, grab your little container like this, and just put a little bit of makeup in it. So I got this past actually just right. It was the day of Halloween. I actually picked this up. I picked it up for 99 cents and everything. Yes, my special guest is back here with me. She likes watching me. My mother likes watching me do this makeup tutorial and everything else. So I have not really tried this cream yet. I tried another cream that was given to me, and somebody actually has stolen it from me, so it's pretty bad. People want my makeup so bad they're actually stealing it with me being gone. I mean, it's just ridiculous. Okay, so basically I'm getting, because they even took my sponge. This is how bad they stole my makeup equipment from my station where I do most of my videos. Sorry for the paper sound. It's just really hard to get this up. This is a Beauty 360. I think this one is it's called Compact Foundation Rounds. I can say right now these things work wonders. I have a bunch of them that was given to me for free, so I use these all the time for certain makeups and stuff, and I try to keep them all separated so I know which one's for what here. So for this, I'm going to do like I do regular foundation. Just go in and start patting in areas where it needs to be spread out later. And so I'm going to use my mirror here to pattern out my sideburn a little bit. This is not going to be a clean because I'm not doing this for my Johnny Vermilion right now. So, but if you notice, if I could get it clean enough, and after a while, if you notice, I will go in and smooth it out after I get it patted on and stuff. The reason why I'm smoothing it out a little bit is that way I see when I need to go back at and everything. But like I said, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to do this beard and everything that I did. So, because the last one took about 20 minutes for me to do the video, so I've been trying to cut this down a little bit so it takes less time to get prepared and ready to go. And so for this, and I actually had to ask my guy friends to make sure I get this just right and everything. And so I asked them how to actually make it look full. I was like, well, does it need to look a little fuller? And I'm like, yes, and some areas needs to look a little fuller and everything. So it is good to actually have a guy friend that may have beards and stuff. But yeah, this one might go a little higher on this side because I'm having to go really high up right now. So because I'm actually just trying to outline where I gotta put this stuff at. And if you mess it, you can just go in and wipe it out. There you go. So you really don't have to worry about being perfect just yet. Basically, this is your outline that you're getting started and everything. So you know where to go and everything. And right here, I gotta use my mirror, sorry. If I sound bad to you guys, I had a cold. I just started getting over it now. So yeah, so I had to go to the haunted attraction sick over the weekend, and I worked. I worked by being sick right now, so it was really not fun having to go in there being sick. Knowing me, the first day it was real bad. I had a real bad sore throat, so I really couldn't even do much. I was afraid to even speak because it was so bad. Get that down. So you go in here, take your fingers, and there we go. And just wipe it out. And go back in. And start filling it in a little bit. And spreading out. Yeah, so this is not the same cream I used the last time, and I kind of a little bit disappointed with this one because it's not spreading as well as the other one did. I actually like the other one because it actually spread a little better, and I didn't have so many empty areas with it, so I'm gonna go in here and pat and see if this will fix it. Let's see how it is. Looking a little better. There we go. Alright. So I got some of this as much as I could of getting it good for you guys. I'm sorry, this looks a little terrible. Me being sick and everything right now, I just want to get this video redone and everything because I felt so bad that the video could not be shown because YouTube thinking I did not have a shirt on and everything. So this is a rough draft of how actually really nice it looked and everything. And it is on my nose. Oh Lord. There we go. So right in here is where I'm actually having a little bit of a problem. Let me see if I can actually get it off my nose long enough. It just looks so hilarious. There we go. Alright. So I'm going to go in here and try to salvage that area, and yes. I'm so sorry guys, this is turning out so terrible right now. I really am. Okay, so alright. So this is a quick job of it. Alright, please forgive me. So if I wasn't feeling so bad right now and so weak, I would do a better job. But so after this, you want to take, if you have like eyeshadow, go in here and start filling in the areas where it's like real light and stuff, because this basically will help do some of the filling in. Let's see this. I can tell you right now, it will start making it look a little bit better once I start filling some of this black in and stuff. So, because this is actually what I had to do the last time. I had to put a lot of black in. And stuff to get this filled in really good. Sorry, my mother's phone was ringing. She's waiting on a very important phone call for a neurologist appointment, because she's been having experiences of just mysteriously falling. She's had numerous tests done and nothing has showed up yet on those tests that she actually had. So they think it could be something that's neurological that is triggering the falls, because I have a history of seizures. So I told her that I'm thinking that's possibly what's going on. She's experiencing a seizure, and that's what's happening. Alright guys, so if you notice, it's starting to look a little bit better than it did. It's starting to look a little bit more like a beard and everything. I'm trying to get it all covered so you can really get a good look at how good and dark it will look when it's all really filled in. Plus, so this is a good way to set it. There we go. Gives it a good 5 o'clock shadow look. Almost. Okay. Sorry it looks so crappy, everybody, but give me a minute and I'll go clean up some of this and I'll show you how it actually looks with it cleaned up. Alright everyone, so here is the finished look after I got it cleaned up and everything. So, it looks a little weird here because I got my lip ring in, so I really wasn't able to do a good job. But, after it dries and everything, this is the nice look you get. And so, there you go. With my hair all pulled back now. So, I look totally different. So, with my hair down, you'll actually see, since you see my hair up, so, I look completely different. So, I'm going to show you how I look now without it. And how easy it actually is to clean off. I got stuck to my tooth. Sorry guys, I got stuck to my tooth. Oh, that hurt. Oh, that hurt real bad. So if you have a lip ring, don't talk while you're trying to wipe your makeup. And there you go. So it's funny how much of a difference I look without the makeup on and with the makeup on. So I hope y'all, and actually this one actually did not take as long as it did the last time. So I'm actually very proud of it. This one took probably about 2 minutes less than the original because I had to pause for about 2 minutes. So, alright. I hope y'all enjoyed this video.